Woodlice are spread across the world, being an ancient crustacean species that has evolved from a water-based environment to being capable of living on land. Being so adaptive, woodlice can be found in a variety of habitats, from forests and jungles to deserts. The only environments where they cannot live are the polar regions and the very arid deserts. Woodlice, like earthworms, are generally considered beneficial in the gardens for their role in controlling certain pests, producing compost, and overturning the soil. They have also been known to feed on cultivated plants, such as overripe strawberries. Generally, woodlice feed on decaying plant material. During the day, they like to hide in humid and shady places, such as logs, rocks, or composting mounds. They tend to roam gardens at night time, when the day is at its coolest, in search of food. Woodlice can also invade homes en masse in search of moisture, and their presence can indicate dampness problems. They are not generally regarded as a serious household pest, as they do not spread malady and do not damage sound wood or structures. Woodlice have many natural predators, forming a large part of the diet to some creatures, and an occasional snack to others. Shrews are known to consume vast numbers of woodlice. Other animals also eat them, including hedgehogs, frogs, geckos, and lizards. A normal reaction to a predator is either by running away or forming a ball with its armored exoskeleton. Woodlice are the perfect cleaners to dispose of rotting leaves and compost, so they can be called a gardener's friend. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.